In this video, we'll be talking about the powers of j in complex number, the powers of j. So, this video will be divided into two categories. We'll be talking about the positive integers, the positive integer powers, and the negative integer powers. So, first, to start with the positive integer powers, the positive integer power, positive integer powers. So in the positive integer powers, we all know that j is equals to square root of minus 1 in complex number. So we'll start from j squared. J squared is equals to what? Since j is equals to minus 1, we say the square root of minus 1 squared. So that will be, this square is going to cancel the square root, minus 1. Then our answer is minus 1. I hope you understand. Square root mathematically is also known as what? Coming. You have j squared is also known as minus 1 over 2 2. I hope you understand. When anything is like this, as raised to power, this is also known as square root, is also known as this. I hope you understand. This square root is also known as 1 over 2, 1 raised to power 1 over 2. So 2 comes in, that will be minus 1, 1 over 2, 2 multiplied by 1. So 2 divided by 2 gives us what? Just minus 1. So that's how we got this minus 1. I hope you understand. So let's proceed. We have j cube is equals to j squared j. So we know j squared is what? Our j squared is minus 1 j. So minus 1 multiplied by j gives us what? Minus j. I hope you understand. So we go to j raised to power 4. J raised to power 4 will be j squared, close bracket, j squared. That will be minus 1 squared equals to what? Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. Minus multiplied by minus mathematically is what? Is plus. So that will give us 1. I hope you understand. Mathematically, let me give you an hint. When we have minus multiplied by plus is minus. Plus multiplied by plus is plus. Minus multiplied by minus is plus. I hope you understand. So that's where we get the note this from. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 gives us what? Just 1, positive 1. I hope you understand. Thank you very much. So let's proceed to j5. That will be j raised to power 4 j, close bracket, this is a bracket. So j raised to power 4 will be what? Is 1. That is 1 multiplied by j gives us what? J. I hope you understand. So we can proceed to j9, j20. Let me do that for better understanding. You can proceed to anywhere you want to stop, 100 or so. So we have j9 is equals to what? J4. So the thing is, you have to break it down. So something you can easily multiply with to get your answer directly. So this is j9. So I'm doing what? J raised to power 4. Then I put a square. This is what? J multiplied by 2 gives us what? J8. Then this is j. So this is j9. I broke it down for easy way to solve. Then we'll say j4 is what? 1 squared. Then we have j. I hope you understand. Then we'll say j squared is what? 1 multiplied by 1 gives us 1 multiplied by j. Then our answer is j. I hope you understand. Then we'll go to let's start something like j20. So for j20, how are we going to break this down? We go with j4, close bracket, raised to power what? 5. 4 times 5 is what? 20. I hope you understand. So j4 is what? j4 is 1. You say 1 raised to power 5. 1 raised to power 5 is what? Is 1. I hope you understand. It's just something easy. Just be able to cut it down in an easy way for you to get your answer. So let's do something like j30. We call it that day for positive integer powers. Then we'll go to negative. So j30, how could we break this down? You could just say j4 raised to power 7. Then you have j2. I hope you understand. j4 raised to power 7. 7 multiplied by 4. Then this is j2. Now will be j4 is what? 1 raised to power 7. Then you have your j2 equals to, you have 1. And we now have j2 to be what? Minus 1. Then you have 1 multiplied by minus 1, and one side is minus 1. I hope you understand. So that is all for positive integer powers. We'll be going for negative integer powers. So from positive integers, I'm going to negative integers. If we recall, from positive integers, j is equals to just square root of minus 1. Then we start from j raised to power 2, this square, which is what? Which is just minus 1. But here in negative integer, we'll be starting from j raised to power minus 1. And j raised to power minus 1 would be what? Minus j. And we don't know what minus j is. So we'll go to j raised to power minus 2, which will give us what? J squared minus 1 equals to minus 1 raised to power minus 1, which is equals to minus 1. I hope you understand. So we say j raised to power minus 3, which should be what? J raised to power minus 2, close bracket, j minus 1. That will be minus 1, close bracket, open bracket, j minus j equals to j. Minus multiplied by minus is j, close. So we say j raised to power minus 4 equals to j minus 2, close bracket 2, which is equals to j minus 2 is what? Minus 1. You have minus 1 raised to power 2. That is minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. The answer is 1. I hope you understand. So we're taking a few more. We have j raised to power minus 8. That will be j raised to power minus 4, close bracket 2. Then we say j raised to power minus 4 is what? Is 1. Then you have 1 raised to power 2. Then the answer is 1. I hope you understand. It's just something simple. You need to just know this. Most people know this offhand. You need to just know them offhand. Then you can input them whenever you are given any question. So let's solve one more. Then we call it a day for both positive and negative integers. So you have j minus raised to power minus 32. That would be j raised to power minus 4, 8. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. Then we'll say j raised to power minus 4 is what? Is 1. Then you have your 1 raised to power 8. 1 raised to power 8 is what? Is 1. So that's about negative integer powers. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.